In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Trello password in just 5 minutes. Whether it's for security reasons or simply because you want to update your credentials, changing your password is a straightforward process that you can manage quickly. So let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to the Trello homepage. You can do this by typing trello.com into your web browser's address bar. Once the page has loaded, look for the login button, which is typically at the top right corner of the screen, and give it a click. This will take you to the login page where you'll enter your credentials if you haven't already logged in. If you're asked to choose an account, simply select the one associated with your Trello workspace. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to your Trello workspace. Here, you're going to look towards the top right corner of the screen again, where you'll find your user profile, represented by either your profile picture or initials. It's right there that you want to click to access more options related to your account. Next, you'll see a drop-down menu or a new page depending on how your settings are configured. What you'll want to do here is click on the Manage Account option. This section contains all the settings and preferences related to your Trello account, including some of the security settings we're looking for. Now let's steer our attention to a vital component of securing your Trello account, the security settings. Click on Security and you will be redirected to a new page. This page is where you manage all the aspects related to the security of your account. Right on the security page, you should see an option labeled Change Your Password. This is our main focus today. Clicking this link will bring you to the password change prompt, where you will enter your current password for verification purposes. Input the password that you used to log in. Following that, you'll be prompted to enter your new password. It's essential that the new password is strong yet memorable. You might want to use a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols to ensure it's secure. Finally, after confirming your new password by re-entering it, submit the changes. You should see a confirmation message letting you know that your password has been successfully changed. And that's it, you've successfully changed your Trello password, improving the security of your account. Remember, it's a good idea to regularly update your passwords for better security, so keep this process handy for future reference. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to share it with others who might benefit from it.